Hey guys, welcome to another MSM video. If you're new to the channel, my name's Jeremy and I really appreciate that you have stopped by. Welcome. In this video, we have some trail action for you. Last weekend, Peter and I and a couple members of our kids club went to a new facility out in Bridal Falls and we had an awesome time. The trails were really fun. There were some really cool obstacles. This is just the beginning for that group. They have plans for all the areas surrounding where we were. So I can't wait to see what more they do and create there and how they develop that. Yeah, it was an awesome afternoon. So I've got some footage here to share with you. Just before we get into that, as always, if you're enjoying the channel, please like the videos that you enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We would really appreciate that. So without further ado, let's get into the trail action. Enjoy. And I'll have a video at the end of this one with some more trail action so we can keep it going. And so be sure to check that out. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye.